PNG happenings.
We are one national parliament. We are leaders of this country. So obviously we are talking. And in our discussions, even the leaders that are with James Marape right now, you've seen in your own reports in some of the newspapers, they've asked him to step down. His own people that are sitting with him on his side have asked him to graciously step down. They have lost confidence in him. Not just us, and more than that, the people of Papua New Guinea have lost confidence in the Prime Minister. He needs to have the decency to do something about that. M2 mania, pilim lo skin na, sore na sem liglik na yorat lusing. Yet sa talk, siya lo people lo Papua New Guinea. Okay, give him back lo people lo Papua New Guinea. Lari mo leader lo Papua New Guinea mak him nubla man. Mi plano gat personal cross of Belleville you country and Bagrat. I need him nubla direction. I need him nubla hand, steady hand. Where CPM lo Bagrat na like upside stop here, you can steady him back here, and we can see it all around us. So with that, look, that have been going on for years. Prime ministers use state funding to victimize members of parliament. So plenty all for it. Hey, me come start trying to change him money all by cutting funding now. What about my road project? Or what about this hospital project for my people? What about this school? So you mean on this aside, you may understand time all brother leaders only thinking planting na porat na only move. But you know, I want to speak to our leaders on the other side to say, look, don't you want a government that's not going to victimize you regardless of your political stance? You mean country am need him just like a leadership where suppose you ban him conviction blah you know you go but go na me to blah disagree. You're not gonna cut him funding na bagrabing people blah blah. We need that. We need to move away from all these really bad practices that have, you know, plagued our country. It's time to do something new. So that's the appeal to our friends on the other side. We all want the same.
PNG happenings.